And we are live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. Good afternoon to people in California. Good morning, good evening to other people who are be tuning or
Into
will
our
be
world.
watching us later in a replay wherever
Yes.
you may be. Hello, welcome to our live.
Pag nga bigat, rabi malam yung amin mananapo. And you are here to watch our live again. You catch us on live again, Panginoon. Ay mga business partners and future business partners there. It it's our 8th day.
Day 8 po
Day
of
8.
our 90-day success challenge. So,
Mm.
welcome to our live.
It's a good
So,
day.
yes,
And remember again, guys, God is good
all the time and
and
all the time.
God is good.
Yeah. So, ano pa yung sasabihin ko? Again, well, for those who don't know us, my name is Zapra.
And oh, sorry, this is Ken.
We
We
are
are proud digital
digital business
business
owners.
owners.
Excited si Mister because
Yeah,
we
I
have
know. We
actually
have
let's show them. Let's show them.
the Cafe 86.
So we have Cafe 86 and they
They
have
have
a
new
um new product that they have
they
right
have a new
now.
drink.
So for those who are
Mais
in
con
our
yellow.
area, hindi lang halo-halo ang meron sila. They have this mais con yelo
You
now
know,
right now. So we're trying it.
topped with ubi ice cream, flan, and flakes.
Corn
Then
flakes.
corn underneath.
Yeah. So far, how do you like it?
No,
Mas
so far
bet
it's good.
Parang mas
Right
better
now it's
siya.
hot
It's
outside.
right.
It's refreshing.
What's the weather right now? Is it 100? It's
No,
mainit. It's just too hot
I
right
think
now.
we're still 90s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, forgot. Time check. It is actually 4:20 p.m. out
Mhm.
here in Northern California. It's September 4 on Wednesday. So
Yeah.
again, we tried to do the or go live this afternoon because just this morning we weren't able to. We have other things to do. Plus,
Mhm.
it's an early release for the kids, so it's good to just do it this afternoon. So
Yeah, at least tulog sila ngayon.
yeah. Tingnan mo,
Matutulog sila.
matutulog
At
sila.
least
Hindi pa, gising pa sila.
at least
But
it's quiet right
no,
now.
we bought them some Cafe
Oh yeah,
86
86 too.
desserts, so they are busy eating
Finish
their dessert right now.
finishing it right now, yeah. Oh, and hello
Hi, Sister
Shay.
Shay.
Yeah, we saw your live.
Yes.
That's a great bonding sa mga kids mo. They're
Right.
doing painting, a lot of artworks and stuff they're doing outside.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng backyard nila.
Mhm.
Ang ganda ng ano. Tapos may ganun silang magagawa yung mga bata.
Yeah.
Right now it's too hot out here, so that our kids, well, even though maybe the youngest one will, or our fourth one would like to come out and play outside, but it's us who doesn't want her to do that because pag iniwan mo sa labas nako.
No, that's what I'm worried about again. Kasi nga, di ba, we bought this one.
Mm.
She has his ubi monster again. Probably she's gonna swim on it again. So, no, it's okay. It won't happen again because the ates are watching her.
Ates are watching.
Oh, so mabalik tayo sa
Laro mga kids ng crafts after doing homework.
mm,
Sa mga
low 70s na sa kanila.
low 70s. Got it. Anyway, okay, what's our topic today, Daddy? Let's see. Our topic today is how is social media important in our business?
Oh, social media. Social media is very important in our business
Yes.
because you know
We are
why?
digital business, right?
Yeah, we are in digital business and we are in digital world right now. On this generation,
And most
most people
people,
are their
they have
own
their own social media platform.
yeah platform, and then plus they're on their gadgets, so they could access everywhere.
Yeah.
With our digital business, we could reach more people, unlike traditional business. Kwan lang, very broad lang yung nare-reach mo, but with some other kwan na rin yung mga
Limited sabihin mo.
yeah, limited. Limited, pero some other traditional business na ngayon, they go to digital also.
Or so
Kasi
no,
nga,
social media. They use the social media to advertise pretty much.
yeah.
Kasi
And plus,
most
tignan mo yung mga restaurants before, wala
mm,
namang DoorDash, wala namang Uber, wala namang Uber Eats or GrabHub
mm,
para kasi people will go there to the restaurant. Kaya ngayon may option na.
mhm.
Kaya with the digital world, nakakatulong talaga ito.
Plus no, actually,
You
even
have
though
to.
let's say regular businesses will create their own website.
Yeah.
Hindi yan malalaman ng mga tao if nobody told them about it. So
Mm-hmm.
the really only way, best way for you to advertise about your business would be to go to social media. There's a different social media nowadays, but of course, still ang top one pa rin ang Facebook.
I know.
So, pero most Filipinos, Facebook yan for sure.
Yun nga sabi nga nila, Filipinos are the top na
Facebook daw?
Facebook
User?
na users.
Talaga.
Lalo na pag may mga bagong TikTok kasi Pilipino naman.
Reels.
They be very creative sa sa mga pagre-reels, pagti-TikTok. Tignan mo nga yung maybe this time yung sumasayaw na yun.
Oh. Oh yan,
Na-feature
napauso nila.
na-feature na rin siya sa ASAP, sumayaw siya doon.
Um,
Si Regine Velasquez ata.
Ang
He is
kumanta?
the one na kumanta. Oh, hello Ate Jeans. Hello from Burbanks.
Hindi,
Nandiyan-
nakabalik na siya.
Nakauwi na ba siya?
Balik na siya.
Nakauwi na siya.
Sabi ni Ate Gina, wait until they are done eating, they will come out now.
I know, Ate Jeans. Yun nga, magiging ubi monster yung isa doon. Baka magsiswimming na naman siya sa drinks
Yeah,
niya.
sabi nga namin bantayan siya because actually last time kasi we had our daughter have her own ube monster from Cafe 86.
Mhm.
Naku, natapon niya, nilaro-laro niya. Naging ube monster siya.
Swim. Para siya yung mud monster.
So kaya sabi namin bantayan niya yan, mahirap na. But anyway, I think sa mga
Sabi ni
younger
Ate Jeans daw, o nga daw, sikat yun. Sayaw din tayo ng ganun.
sumayaw na kami Ate Gina, gawa ka ng version mo. Gawa ka ng version mo nun. Hindi pa huli.
Ang cute niya daw nung nag-swimming siya sa ubi monster niya.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ano ang tawag nito?
So,
I think younger generations are more interested or they prefer IG or
I
Instagram.
know. Yung mga kids ngayon these days, no? May mga alam sila with yung gadgets and everything sa mga apps. Pero pag tayo, inaalam pa natin sila. They're tech savvy, no?
Ay. Okay, hindi mo nga na, baka mayroon na namang bago nga dyan na social media platform na hindi lang natin alam. But then, there's other different kinds of social media platforms. For businesses, LinkedIn.
Mhm.
Yan, nandyan yan. TikTok, sa mga younger generation actually. I don't know.
Instagram.
Oh, yun nga, it's IG nga.
IG, Instagram.
IG, Instagram. yun.
Sorry MLN niya.
Kaya pala di yun nagets kanina sabi ko. TikTok, I don't know, I created a TikTok account before pero turn off ko na kasi
Malay ko dyan kasi
Nakaka-addict.
nung bata naman
Nakaka-addict.
ako, wala naman ako dyan. Ang nilalaro ko yung mga shatong, tumbang preso, luksong baka nasa labas. O kaya ano pa yung text, yung mga kaya piko, shatong.
mali ko yung mga tawag different na tawag ng mga
Yeah,
laro
lahat
natin sa Pilipinas.
nilaro ko lahat yun. Yun naman ang ganito.
Alam ko lang entrance, hindi pa nga nila alam. Ano bang entrance? Anong meaning ng entrance?
Patentero.
Ay, patintero. Entrance lang alam ko dan. Entrance, Chinese garter.
Meron pa yung bubuka ang bulaklak, sasayaw ang reyna. Sasayaw ka isa-isa doon pag gumagan. Wala lang.
Mali ka pa ata yung sa kanta mo. Bubukang bulaklak. Dadaan ng reyna.
Ay, hindi
Sasayaw ng cha-cha. Tingnan mo. Sayaw ng cha-cha. Anong next doon?
Boom, tiyaya. Boom, tiyaya. Mga ganung bagay.
Pero ngayon, wala. Puro social. Dahil, yun nga, going back, it's more, people are always on their gadget nowadays.
Mhm.
Unfortunately. Kung na tayo, mostly digital na tayo, right? online,
Yeah.
everything. Itong mga businesses, I was just checking kung ano yung mga digital business examples. Pretty much everything now. It's not only Amazon,
Mhm.
but all the stores now are using digital or using digital or the social media. They use social media to advertise. Why? Because
Mhm.
people are mostly, they have at least one social media account,
Mhm.
diba? And most of the time now, social media, dun mo na nakikita, hindi na nga na nanonood ang mga tao sa bihira na nanonood ng TV for news. Because why? They get news feed already or news report from their social media. The things that are happening in our, wherever you are, you get prompted in your social media. And sa
Yes.
social media may AI na. So nakikita niya, napapansin doon, or may AI algorithm, right? They base it on ano yung mga sinesearch mo. And yun yung binibigay na lang na feed sa ng, like in Facebook, kung yun yan, na you
Ano,
happen to have click, let's say,
na-hook up ka sa isang advertisement.
yes,
Oh,
then they will
run
give similar ones to you
na
now.
yes.
Paulit-ulit.
Oh,
So,
hello thank you for watching, Auntie Agnes.
Ate Agnes.
Hi,
Hi,
Jenny.
Jenny.
Hope you're doing well and
Oh, she feels better.
oh, she
Kasi
feels better, yeah.
medyo
That's
masama
good.
pakiramdam niya the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Hi to our, what, 4? Or is this, do we combine it? 7 million viewers.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, hello. So, but in our business, it's definitely, so how is it important, or why is it important in our digital business? Is because that's our way also to advertise about our business. Um, social media now, using your own, using your own social media account, you can be able to, lalo na kung marami kang followers,
I
if you have a
know.
lot of followers, you're doing like a free ad by just doing, by
Mm-hmm.
just posting on your social media, and you have a lot of followers, parang free ad na yon. They, when they see you post, then I mean, added ko na lang, if you have less followers, or siguro, you just want to be a little bit more aggressive in advertising about your business, then there's those options of doing boost
Yeah.
sa Facebook, or yun nga, magbabayad ka, mag-add ka na.
Yeah, so that's why take advantage
Pero
with this digital world kasi nga mas malawak yung marireach mo eh.
yan,
Or mas
nag-a-advance na with the AI. Yun nga sabi ko,
Mhm.
with the AI, with the help of AI, may algorithm na dyan na that will detect kung ano yung mga parang likes mo based on what you check out
Mhm.
on your phone. So kung sometimes ano na yung ano lang, ano yung gusto ko sabihin, parang nagiging easier na. Kung noon, bayad ka ng, so noon nung bago-bago pa ang online, babayad ka talaga ng malaking pera to do an ad, to advertise your business. But this time, ayun na, yung social media mo lang, yung sarili mong profile lang, may kakilala ka lang, pasa-pasa lang nila, copy paste lang nila or whatever.
Mhm.
Ayun na, nalalaman na ng mga tao. And yun nga, nowadays, or which most Filipinos are doing nowadays, is just they do reels, right?
Mhm.
Or they do reels, tapos kapag it happened na nagustuhan ng mga tao, naging viral, naku.
I know sa Pilipinas number one
Broad,
number one job na nila doon vlogger eh.
lahat na lang,
Oh,
naging vlogger
vlogger
na.
na lahat doon, yeah.
Mhm. But so but so this is actually one of our means to for our digital business, our means to advertise, or to promote our business, is through our social media. And ang napakaganda with our business is that we have a training site
Mhm.
that helps us, teaches us how to um, especially for those like so anyway, we have a training that guides us on how to do advertising in social media, or actually kaya in this business, kahit sabihin mong hindi ka pa tech savvy, or you don't even have an account in any social media, a Facebook or Instagram, our training site will actually help you how to create one, how to
Yes.
establish one,
Step by step.
and then provide you like even the rules na meron, kasi actually ang Meta may rules yan, may IG may mga rules din yan. So it our training site will guide you on how to safely post
Mhm.
in your social media, so that you will be able to safely use it and be able to, kasi some may mga fortunately in Facebook medyo strict si Facebook or si Meta, and it can restrict you, kapag pag you didn't abide with the rules. So but our training site, if once you join in this business, you will see in our training site that we have those step by step um, guidance on how to do it. And napakaganda kasi um, sabihin yung, kasi maraming magsasabi, oh wala akong Facebook account, hindi ako gumagamit ng social, wala akong social media, or I don't check on my social media. Um, but if they're interested in doing the business, it's still doable, kasi nga yun nga napakadali. We have on you will be assigned to a mentor, coach na gagabay sa in this business. So yung ganong excuse in napakadali ng solusyon, may way para makapag-start ka pa rin in this digital plus.
Mhm.
What okay is since lalo na nung pandemic, right? Nung nag-pandemic, doon natin nakita na maraming nawalang mga businesses, nag-close na mga businesses.
Mhm.
And then that's when they realized na yung mga ang nag-flourish, yung mga nasa online businesses, or and then that's when other businesses, traditional businesses, have figured out, what, we should create a digital version of our business. So now most businesses now are involved or have a digital version of their business. So
Mhm.
kaya talagang yung sabihin mo na digital business is not something na parang something that parang yung bang hindi mo naisip na pwede kang umasenso sa ganon na
Mhm.
type of business. Actually, ito na yung trend ngayon eh. Ito na yung trend ngayon. So, parang sinasabi ko nga, parang since it is the trend, and it's most businesses now, or all of us are like getting into digital now, mahuhuli ka na kung hindi mo pa alamin kung paano yan. Paano kung later on pala hindi ka na, wala ka nang pupuntahang store kasi
Mhm.
everything is digital now.
Mhm.
Nahuli ka na kung hindi mo pa alamin kung paano.
Oh yeah, that's true, kasi some of yung mga stores na ngayon, mapapansin nyo sa mga grocery stores or Target or Walmart or Best Buy, they barely put yung mga products sa shelves nila. So you know why? They rather put it on sa kwan na sasabihin nila sa'yo, oh, wala ngayon dito sa store, but you could check us online.
Yeah.
Yun, nandun lahat yung mga ibang products nila that you could check it online na wala sila sa stores.
Halos siguro yung makikita mo na lang sa stores, yung mga parang
Yung mga,
halos yung top kwan lang nila, kung ano yung mga mabili, yung mga products, and then the rest halos kwan na online mo na bibilhin, right? Tapos ano pa yung masabi natin with this topic? So any ideas, Manang Gina? No, but yeah, sabi ni Ate Gina, ay hindi lumalabas dito.
no, yeah, baka nag-kwan yan.
They're on social media na, yes, kaya i-leverage natin. Yeah, leverage it. Ano pa?
Importance of social media, yun nga. With our business kasi, at least with our sa digital business, we have a proven system kasi na it works in the background while doing other things.
True.
Na you could still cook there, you could do a lot of stuff, cleaning, not only cleaning. Minsan yan, with our nurses, makakapag-work pa lang sila by the time they got out. They could still maglalaan sila ng what? A 1 or 2 hours business na to na digital business, and
They
then
just post in our so we
yes,
just post
they
in our
just
social media. So ang pinaka
ang pinaka
role
tool
lang
mo
talaga, pinaka work mo
is
in this
just
our digital business is
you
you
post,
attract.
you attract.
You
Yeah.
post to attract people.
Mhm.
Hi, Sis Maristel. Thank you for watching. So yeah, you post to attract. We're in the attraction marketing kasi. So
Mhm.
our posting, we post in our social media, leverage our social media
So
to
that's why we keep
attract people to
on
join our business.
so that's why we keep on telling there's no selling involved, there's no bugging involved, there's no ano pa ba? Recruiting involved.
Yeah, because you attract.
You simply
You just
attract.
post. You
Mhm.
just post, and then let
Attract, and
people
then let
come to you.
people and come to you, and then they will
Mhm.
ask, "Oh, ano yung bago mong pinasok?" Or, "Oh,
Yeah,
ano yung mga pinagpo-post mo?"
yeah.
Then you will engage. Then yun ang sasabihin mo sa kanila. Oh, simply go to my website, register your name there and your email, and then our system is the one who's gonna be
It's gonna do the
the
rest of the
work.
work.
Yeah, the
Yes.
90% of the work
Yes.
na they will getting some emails. Pretty much yung system na natin, sila yung nagfa-follow up.
Mhm.
Oh, kaya ayaw niyo pa yon na hindi kayo yung magfa-follow up sa kanila.
And dahil din digital business na.
Mhm.
So actually ano bang nangyari nung pandemic, 'di ba? People are always just mostly watching na lang on, so since hindi tayo nakakalabas, there's a lot of people who are doing DIY, do it yourself kind of
Mhm.
stuff, right?
Mhm.
And they just paste things on
Yeah.
video. So and kaya ang something that they figured during pandemic is that kung yung may mga businesses kasi then there that do demos, right? They have to go to house ganyan to do them demo. But nung pandemic they can't do it. So that's when they found out, you know what? By just showing a video pala, people will already understand, or people will already believe or understand or know what the business is or what the
Mhm.
product is and stuff like that. So pretty much kaya yung pala, you can just get a video. So our digital business involves some videos too, and that includes our free webinar. Once you
Mhm.
sign up in our website, you will receive a video
Mhm.
of our free webinar, free webinar. It's either you can either register for our live webinar, which happens every Tuesdays and Thursdays,
Mhm.
or you can watch the replay. But it at least it's already a video. You don't have to even go somewhere to sit in and listen to someone. You just need to watch our
Mhm.
video where you can watch it anytime, right?
Mhm.
Kahit pa nga yung pag nasa banyo ka na nga lang daw nasa trono ka, you can still watch it out there kung gaano ka katagal
I
sa
know,
sa
yeah.
trono. So
Yeah, yung
but
phone
yeah,
nyo, dala-dala nyo yan kahit saan.
yes. So
And then you intend to
kaya
check on your social media, newsfeed on
napakadali.
Facebook.
Actually kasi meron yung ayun I there are some people who will tell you sobrang busy ko na. I don't have time to do that, to even yun nga sabi ko lang, you've just sent them, or all they need to do is just watch the video, pero
Mhm.
sabihin pa nila I don't have time for that.
Oh, acknowledge ko na dito.
Ah.
Hi, Dion. Basta ang pagre-recover ng paa mo dyan.
You're always on your
Yung tuhod
phone.
pala, tuhod. Hindi pa, tuhod niya.
You're always on your phone.
Mhm.
Sabi nga namin, kahit pakinggan mo na lang. You don't even have to watch it. Just listen to what they're
Yeah.
saying. Kasi you don't know if you're not even going to open that video that will be sent to you, paano mo malalaman kung ito na pala yung solution na hinahanap mo?
Yes.
You know? Of course, it's okay to be skeptical. Again, we'll talk about
Yeah.
skepticism. We were also skeptical
Yes.
before we join in this business. But the only way talaga na malalaman mo if this digital business will be for you,
Mhm.
you have to take the leap of faith and just open that, at least man lang. Register, click our website and register, and then watch the video. Hindi mo malalaman nga what's ang kabuuan. And then we were even telling, so we're gonna mention it to them too. That's a step one. Step
Mhm.
one is for you to register, right, and get and watch our free
Free
webinar.
webinar, yes.
Step two is you have to pay a
No,
fee.
fee.
Like any na may entrance fee, we also have a fee, and that is the 149.
Mhm.
So you pay that 149, but that 149 is fully refundable within 30 days.
One-time fee lang yan. One-time
The
fee.
fee. You have 30 days to do your investigation, do
Mhm.
your homework in
Mhm.
learning about this business.
Yes.
30 days to watch whatever the videos you will be sent with or to know what our business is all about. And
Yep.
if at
Pretty
the
much, it will explain everything there.
nandun na.
Kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi namin dito.
Mhm.
So that's why itong digital business namin is we don't have to explain anything. Because pretty much nandun na lahat once you lock into it on that one.
Okay, isa pang
Pagkapunta mo sa
napakaganda
webinar.
about this business, especially for those who are saying na I don't have time for a business like this kasi it will take time away from myself.
Mhm.
Ang gagawin mo lang po, you just posted, you attracted people using your social media.
Yes.
Then those people, when they are attracted, they inquired about your
Mhm.
business. You let them go to your website
Mhm.
and and then go with the may process na yun. They will watch the free webinar, and those people, they want to continue with the next step. Ayun na. So ang ginawa mo lang is, ang pinaka-role mo lang, ginawa mo lang is that you have them start with the step one, which is to get into your website and watch the free webinar. And then the rest, lahat na, of course, may product po kami dito, but then we're not doing the selling. It's the system that will do it.
Mhm.
It's the system that will do the explanation about how this business works.
On why we're not selling it.
Yeah, everything is
Everything
yung
there.
yung system na naka-in place na doon. Siya na lahat ang gagawa most of the work. So
Yes.
napakaganda kasi even though
Ay,
yun nga,
kumusta, Rogin?
kung busy person ka, sabi mo,
Yes.
I have 2 jobs too. But I can still do it.
And then plus with our business,
Kasi
it works on your may nag-work na system, automated system for you, and then plus the benefits na napag-usapan natin kahapon, the benefits of write-off,
mhm.
yung mga pagkain mo and everything, tax write-off lahat yan. Kaya saan ka pa? Nabusog ka na, sabi nga ni Ate Gina, nabusog ka na, nakapag-tax write-off ka pa. Or minsan,
Sabi ko, natatawa ako dito. Sabi ko, kahit ata gawin pa nating everyday mag-cafe 86, okay lang kasi
Okay lang
tax
kasi
write-off. Pero yun nga lang, ang bagsak mo, diabetes.
And then plus tingnan mo si Ate Jeans na nag-fly lang dyan sa Burbank. Biruin mo yun, one day na nag-fly lang with all those costs na naman na gastos niya. Everything is covered with our business because everything is tax write-off.
Mhm. Hello, Ate Debbie. Hello.
Yeah.
Jose. And, ayun, I think, hindi lumalabas dito yung comment natin, Gina.
No.
Okay, basahin ko yung comment natin, Gina. Sabi niya, yun, kahit watch the free webinar, kahit paulit-ulit pa. Yes, kasi nga, ayun, video na lang yun. Kung nung pinakinggan mo nung first, di mo na gets, di mo naintindihan, panoorin mo ulit. Hindi Hindi lang naman yun one time, nandun naman yun, kahit ulit-ulitin mo.
Yes.
Sabi ni Sister Shay, dati social media is parang luho lang. Now, need na rin siya, need na rin natin siya. Everything is online. Online dating app, online banking, online booking, online shopping. Very crucial ang social media for all those business to be advertised. Ganoon rin ang digital business natin when it comes to social media. We use it to advertise our
on a
business.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, the power of automation, sabi
Hi to
niya.
Sister Joy Manalang. Hello. Thank you for watching. Yes. So, ano ba yun? Masarap bumiyahe, tax write-off. Yes, Ate Gina was just talking about, because we mentioned about tax
Mhm.
write-off. She just came back from Burbank, LA. Tax write-off niya yan. We have our mentor, Lian Abad. She is on her way back here from Hawaii. She celebrated her
Birthday there.
birthday out there with her family.
Tignan mo,
Tax write-off.
tignan mo, nakapag-celebrate siya ng birthday niya doon, nakapag-gastos siya doon. Hindi masakit sa bulsa niya kasi she knows she's gonna mara-write off niya lahat
Mara-write off
yun.
niya yun.
So by the end of the year,
Oh,
everything is write off.
yeah.
Di wala na makukuha si Uncle Sam. Diba?
Ano pa, ano yun? Actually, excited na nga daw ulit siyang magbakasyon na naman.
Oo nga daw eh.
Kasi nga, aren't you going to be excited na ganun? Yung parang bang, yun nga, yung hindi na kasi mabigat sa bulsa. So parang you're just enjoying it. You're just enjoying it. Kasi even though she was in Hawaii, her business is with her, following her,
working in the background on the side.
working in the background kahit di pa nga she was enjoying her vacation there. Hindi niya kailangang
stress mo yung sarili mo
oo,
yung
about sa business
magka-cramping
or
ka ng may hahabulin ka matapos.
Yeah, wala. But then what? Even though she's enjoying her vacation, her business is working, may leads siya.
Tingnan mo nga, patapos na daw yung bakasyon niya, parang gusto niya magbakasyon ulit kasi nga. Kasi yung business natin, it works for her. Kasi
yun may time freedom.
Time freedom and then yung passive income na nabibigay ng digital business na to.
Right.
Yun. And then I would like to share is one verse na na it will mag-ano dito sa topic natin, the ng kahalagaan ng social media. So Matthew 12:36-37. I tell you, on the day of the judgment, people will give you account for every careless words they speak. For by your words you will be justified, and by your words you will be condemned. So that's why, as much as possible, we keep on talking here on our social media. As much as possible, we want to
be careful,
mindful sa mga pinagsasabi namin. And we are not being deceiving you guys. Ayaw namin maging deceitful. And because we want to gain your trust. Di ba?
And yun nga, yun nga yung dun sa Bible verse na to, because you will be judged by your own words kapag of course if you lie to someone, you lose the trust of that person.
Yes.
But besides that, just being a Christian, you don't want this. You don't want to be condemned, right? When you get to heaven and then
True.
You will be questioned by
even if
what you've done. And our social media is our way to reach out to people. So be careful, be mindful on what you say, use it to bless others, inspire, encourage, ganun dapat.
Encourage others.
But if you're using it to parang cause harm
yun sa mga
hurt people,
yes,
right? Then you will be just
you will be condemned eventually pag nalaman niyang yung sumali sa iyo naglalay ka. Di ba? Sabi nga nila,
no matter what, malalaman ng tao kung naglalay ka o hindi.
As much as possible,
gusto
namin sabihin yung katotohanan here. Yung totoo lang dito. We don't want to para manloko.
Actually, why will we do our this live? We want to show you ourselves that we are real
Mhm.
people, and we are not scam. Kaya ba't namin papakita mukha namin? We're risking our life, we're risking our family's
Yes,
lives,
that's true.
right?
Kung kwan to,
Our
naglalay
career.
tayo nito, naka-kwan na to, naka-edit 'tong mga mukha natin. This is not our true faces,
Uh-huh.
'di ba? Aray. O, tingnan mo, totoo, 'di ba? Gusto mo lang ata makakurot, eh, mukhang nainis ka lang sa akin kanina, eh. Oh, yeah, acknowledge natin 'yan. Hi, Sis Lay.
Correct,
Correct,
exactly.
exactly. Sabi
Nakahabol
nga
sana si Shirley. Okay.
Mhm.
But yun, so ano pa masabi natin? I think
I think pretty much, yung nasabi na natin lahat 'yon.
social media natin. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, sa mga ayun nga, sa mga
JB always
mga
watching. Hey,
mga followers
hi, Jay.
natin diyan, mga friends namin, or those who are just on the fence pa rin, like
Yeah, break
thinking
that fence
ano
and
ba,
break
kung
that
ano.
wall.
Yun lang, actually, yun ang sinasabi na, yun ang ginagawa lang namin dito with this business.
Mhm.
We post, we leverage our social media. We use
Mhm.
our social media to advertise or to talk about our digital business. Yun lang yung halos
Yeah.
pinaka-role mo. Of course, later on, once they get boarded, you will be assigned as a mentor. So of course, you will help in guiding your business partner on how to navigate in this business.
Mhm.
But most of the work that you're doing out here is just posting in our social media,
Yeah.
because social media nowadays is just pretty much very important, and it's like even mga important people, mga artista, even mga politician, naku, they have their own social media because it's faster pa nga daw for them to know kung ano yung nangyayari sa mundo
Mhm.
with their social media kaysa sa mga news, kaysa sa maghintay sila sa
Yeah,
news.
it's true.
Right? So that's why it's very powerful na ang gamit ng social media. But with that also, like what we're saying from the verse din, be careful din naman. Be
Yeah, be
mindful
careful,
on what you
mindful.
say.
Yes.
Use the social media in a good way. And what we're trying to do right now at here is we're trying to use it in a good way, and offering you guys a good opportunity,
And bless you too.
because we want to help you. We want to
Thank
help
you, bless you.
families, because this business had helped a lot of families already.
Mhm.
And we want you guys to know about it as well, para hindi kayo left out. Malay nyo,
Yeah.
ito na yung solution na hinahanap ninyo. But you won't get to know it if you don't get in or search, or do your homework,
Mhm.
jump into our business. And yun nga, going back to dun sa 149, na sabi nga namin nga, fully refundable siya. So if within that 30 days you decided you don't want to proceed, we will refund it back. But if you decide to join us, then that fee will be your one-time membership fee.
But mind you, that 149, it doesn't go to our pocket.
Yeah,
Hindi
wala
kami,
mapupunta sa amin
wala
doon.
mapupunta sa amin. It goes to
It
sa
will be
company.
used to you
Yeah.
to create your
Website.
website, for you to have access
Access.
to the rest of for you to have a funnel
Mhm.
of and
Access sa mga
access to
training.
training site.
Full training,
Yeah.
hindi lang yung partial.
Mhm. Yeah, so maraming with that amount, to start your business,
Mhm.
it's not that expensive.
Yes.
And plus, tax
Makakabili.
write-off mo pa yun.
Makakabili nga kayo dyan ng mga expensive shoes nyo, eh.
Tax
Diba?
write-off mo pa yun.
Yeah. Ayaw nyo pa yun, yung once you get on board in this business, hindi na mabigat maggumastos. It's gonna be write off everything, because we keep on saying this one kasi
Na-experience na po
na
namin. We were able to file our taxes and
yes.
claim the investment we put in this business, and bumalik na. So actually, we have a return of investment just by doing that.
Yes.
Ano pa, parang ko na lang, bonus na lang yung nare-receive naming
Mga checks.
from this business.
Yes, and then
So,
plus yun yung pinaka-goal, yun yung first goal lang talaga namin nun. Kasi
yeah.
wala pa nangyayari kasi we barely post in our social media. Well, sinubukan namin, tinest namin tong business na to. Anong nangyari nung pagka-test namin with this business? Wow. Sampal sa mukha namin yan kasi totoo
Mhm.
talaga. It's very legit.
Talagang sampal kasi we all yun yung nabanggit ko, we had some previous businesses, side hustles before,
Yeah.
wherein we didn't have this kind of benefits.
Mhm.
Yung tax write-off na very limited yung tax write-off
I know.
namin.
Yun,
Tapos
yung pang
walang sa akin sa akin lang, especially because I'm the one who's always like jumping in and trying out different side hustles kasi
yes.
I always look into yung return of investment.
Mhm.
I lost a lot of money from my previous
Yeah, when we do
side
our
hustles.
taxes nga, asan pa yung mga kwan diyan, yung mga isasama pa natin sa mga expenses natin? Wala, ito lang.
Yeah, konti
Oo,
lang. May mga
konti lang.
refund man kami from our past side
Yeah,
hustles, but it's not as big as what we got from this digital
so
business.
business,
And mind you,
yes.
we just started like late last year, and we
Mhm.
already have a big refund
Ni
or the big tax write-off.
yeah,
Kaya
magwa 1 year na tayo sa October.
yes,
Yeah.
malapit na po. But we won't talk about this confidently if we did not experience it. So that's why
Yes.
we're just sharing it to you guys because it's really it's true.
It's true.
Um,
We are proud of
mhm.
and happy kami. Happy kami sa mga ginagawa namin.
Noon nga, yung sabi ko nga parang siyempre ako so dahil ako yung breadwinner, parang I have to make sure na medyo hindi kami umaano sa gastos.
Yes, and mind you, being a stay home full-time stay home dad, I'm proudly telling to my kids, "Oh, don't disturb daddy because I'm doing work.
I'm doing
May
this
may
business.
work na ako. I have an income that I could share it sa finances namin with
Naku.
our bills,
Mhm.
utilities, yeah.
Ang laki ng ano ni Mister, parang pang-sweldo ng
I
nurse.
know.
So,
So
thank you.
yun, thank you,
Actually,
thank you, thank
we
you. Yeah.
are thankful to God, grateful to
Yeah,
God for that
thankful
blessing.
sa God na
For
true sa kay Ate Gina, we know this
our business
business.
partners,
Yes,
yeah.
our business partners through Coach Lean for the guidance and yung mga kwan,
Great support from our community. Nako,
yeah.
you know,
Ganun naman talaga eh. If your motive talaga sa isang tao talaga, if you
you're
just
in
want to bless them is mabibless talaga sila, pero pag
motive
yung
mo
motive mo is iba,
just to parang maging gahaman or
gahaman ka or
yeah,
maging stingy ka na kwan.
then you're not gonna be blessed. Kasi nga, in
Yeah.
order for blessing um to flow, dapat
Mhm.
you have to bless others too. Kapag lagi mong kinikip lang na ganun, wala, 'di ba? You're already filled. Paano magpo-pour ang Panginoon ng more blessing kung puno ka na? You have
Yes.
to let it go.
Let it go.
Bless
Yes.
it. Bless others. Share it para continuous ang flow ng blessing.
Yes.
Ganon, that's how we look at it. And
Mhm.
we've been praying to God. We dedicated our business to God na, use this, through this business, we can bless others. So, we
Mhm.
want to bless you, So,
Yeah,
um,
we want to bless you. We were praying for you, whoever's watching there, or whatever you're
going
going
through,
through right now. It's every time nga we start yung go live namin, we pray na whatever people are gonna listen here or mag-serve ng inspiration or mag-serve ng encouragement because we don't know what you guys are going
yeah.
through. Kaya
Mhm. Yun.
yeah, yun lang naman talaga yung goal din namin eh.
Ayun na, napapatagal na
Oh
tayo,
yes,
45 minutes na
I
tayo.
know, I
So,
know.
again, we just want to acknowledge, so Dion, Rogin, sino to?
Yeah,
JB?
JB.
Hello, thank you for watching. So again, we'll keep doing this 90 Success Challenge. Malayo-layo pa ho kami. We're just day 8. More
80,
to go.
82
So,
days. Oh wow.
82 more days daw. So, hopefully you'll continue to follow us, support us.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always tuning us. Oh, thank you for always catching us on live too.
Yes.
And yeah, go ahead, go again in our website www.genozup.com. Put your name in there and put your
Email.
email and click register.
Yes.
And then once you see the free webinar,
Get in
and
touch with
get in
us if
touch
you are
us. And
ready
if
to
you're
get to
ready
step
to the
two.
step 2, click that button again and pay that 149.
Yeah. And
And
but
then
we're
we will,
just a message away. Comment below or message private message
yes,
us in our Facebook if you if you have further questions, so we can
yes,
try to answer your questions as much as we can. Like I said, we
yes,
try, we try to we are honest people. We try to at
mm-hmm,
least provide you as much information as
yes.
we can to help you have a more
We don't want
uh
to, we don't want to deceive you guys.
yeah.
Mhm. So again, this is Ken.
Time's up.
So why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya
Join
join
us,
us. And we are proud
digital
digital
business
business
owners.
owners.
Thank you
Thank
again.
you again.
Have a
God
good
bless. God
evening. God
bless.
bless you all. Power couple lang.
And
Thank you.
thank you.
And
Thank you
we
again
are
for signing
signing
off. See you
off.
tomorrow. Bye.